YouTube. I guess this is a shop hack video. Basically, I bought these things for my glasses, and they come with this little rubber tube. It goes on here. It's like a giant shoelace. You put this end on your glasses, and what happens is this end just stretches and gets bigger and bigger and doesn't work anymore. So, my glasses keep falling off my head. I gotta do something. And one of the things I realized is shrink tubing. I wonder if shrink tubing will hold it on. I know it's not exactly the greatest shop hack in the world, but you know what? I am sick and tired of my glasses falling off my head. So, I'm going to put heat shrink tubing. And the one thing I realized is that, oh yeah, I don't have a lighter in my garage. So I got to use a Burns-O-Matic mini torch here, which for some reason takes forever to light. Let's just... There we go. So this has a little dangerous little thing here. I'll set it down. Oop. I'll put it there. Set up the mini torch. I guess I gotta put one side in here. One side in here, I guess. And then just... We'll see how this works. If it's any good. I don't know if it'll work, but hey. Seems like a good enough reason to try. Yeah, seems to stay. Seems to work. Of course, what am I going to set on fire here with a torch? So yeah, if you're bored and need to fix your glasses, take this together and have fun. I gotta get this on here better though, because it doesn't seem like it fits too well. There we go. I wouldn't recommend using a torch on this, but it's all I got right now. Plus, I can't really see what the hell I'm doing because the glasses I'm using, normally used for this, are so there. I melted my glasses. Yeah, a couple of seconds there. Let's see. Let's see if I can see what I'm doing now. Well, see if I burn this out of my head too. Oh yeah! If it lasts, this little shop hack lasts for 2 days, I'll be happy. Or I'm gonna go buy rubber tubing and just keep doing it. The other option is I just tie a piece of rope on it and tape it up, but that would make sense now, wouldn't it? So yeah, I'll tell you if I burn this out of my head in a second. So anyway, cheap heat tubing at Horror Freight. I think it was like a couple of bucks. A Burns-O-Matic torch and a vintage Surelight South Carolina Fuller Manufacturing spark thingamajiggy, which works pretty good. Apparently you can still buy. Can you still buy them? Yeah, I think it's I think you can screw them in there. So anyway, it works. It works. If not, I'll have to make a new one. It's... I don't know if it's in right. Works though. Works good. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's my little shop hack.